Hi, I'm Lisa from Proxima Centauri Manufacturing to introduce the new pressure control adapter. I'll move in a bit closer so you can see the detail. There are ports in the top of the part on each side. They contain stainless steel fittings with O-rings, so they will make a complete seal. No need for any tape or sealant because the O-rings will make a complete seal. There's a safety pin that when removed, you can remove this coupler to easily change the switch or the gauge. Let me show you how that works. You put in your gauge, which requires no sealant because there's a washer inside. And your switch will go on the top, again no sealant. There's an O-ring that makes a complete seal. And this is how it looks when it's together. So let me show you how this works. The PVC part will glue directly into the PVC fitting here. You want to make sure that the safety pin is facing toward you for easy accessibility. So let's say that's glued in. The top will swivel so you can turn it in any direction to work on it. Now, if your switch goes bad, there's no need to change to drain the tank. If there's problems with the well, you'd want to drain the tank and check the pressure. But if you're just changing the switch or the gauge, there's no need to drain the tank to do that. So let me show you how that part works. The safety pin, you want to hold this down and pull the safety pin out and just unplug the coupler. The coupler will have O-rings on it for a complete seal when you put it back together. The lower housing contains a check valve, which controls the water in the line. So you would be changing the gauge or the switch or both. When you put it back together, you simply plug it in, hold that down, put your safety pin in, and clip it together. Just like that. And then that's done. There's no water mess on the floor, there's no cutting pipes, no re-gluing pipes, no new tees, nothing. With this, there's no mess at all. That's our video for today. Thank you for watching. Check us out on Facebook, watch us on Facebook, like us on Facebook. There's more new innovative products on their way. Thank you.